Most people are tracked by their salary and don't even know it. So I made this thumbnail to show exactly that feeling. First, let's understand what salary trap actually is. It's that situation where you're stuck in your job just because of the paycheck. You've got bills to pay, a family to feed, so you can't quit. Want to start a business? Too risky. Want to try something new? No money for that. So the same salary comes in, gets spent, and you're stuck in that cycle. Can't move forward. That's salary trap, where money keeps you trapped. So I needed to show that feeling in the thumbnail. My first idea was an office background with workers running toward a businessman's hand holding dollars. Like, workers chasing the salary, chasing the hand that pays them. But that concept wasn't really working. So I gave AI the topic. It suggested a few ideas. One was a worker sitting at a desk holding his salary envelope with a laptop, papers, coffee cup, proper office setup, and add jail bars for that trapped feeling. That's when I got an idea. Why just jail bars? What if the entire background looked like a jail, like the worker is trapped inside? Then it clicked. Make the salary itself the jail. Salary means dollars, right? So the money becomes the cage. I asked AI to create a jail made of money, but the results were blurry and messy. Dollars weren't placed properly, so I fixed it myself. Got a clean dollar PNG from Pinterest, copied it in Ibis Paint, and built a wall-type jail room. Generated the worker image with AI, holding the salary envelope, placed him in the center. Everything else was manual. Downloaded the desk and laptop from Pinterest and arranged them. And instead of jail bars, I added chains. Because I thought chains feel more powerful, like he's literally bound by the salary. Finally took it to Lightroom for color grading. And there's the final result, where money becomes the jail, salary becomes the chain. If you want more breakdowns like this, follow for more.